Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just a local updates for Compound, what's going on with this token and how high, how low we can drop, and some interesting moment for this token. Let's dive in. All right, guys, with my customer said, I want to show you the updates of main global bull run plan for this token. And if you're watching my first video about Compound, because I guess the comp was one of the first tokens what I shared the videos about the bull run plan, and it was like in Zone 22, Zone 23, and imagine we are still inside 27 blocks. So this is a global accumulation zone. It's like $69 and $4.95. So this is absolutely same zone, same targets. You know, you basically not miss anything with the Compound, because we over the 1,127 days inside this range. Now the price is 53.30. Should we drop lower? I have no idea, guys. We all the time get a chance to drop much lower all the time. I don't understand what happened here. Maybe some upbeat leasing or something. Most likely, I would be not surprised. I don't remember. And here the reward can be open just for sure, guys. Now $53 for sure. At here it was a bottom at 35 for sure. At 69 we're gonna see some seller pressure, and anyway after that we go into 197. And my conservative price target, guys, for this token is this one. It's 553. So this is that fib what I showed you before. It was a local one fib, right? So we talk about a global one. So 553. So this is a supply now for Compounds. Everything okay. This is like an old token, right? Now 93% tokens in circular supply into the market. The circular supply 9,390,000. FDV and market capitalization almost equal. So 553. 553 is going to be like almost 5.2 billion market capitalization. So if we double check the highest point of the market capitalization, it was around here. It was around like 4.8, 4.7 billion, 4.5 billion market capitalization. So the 0.5 followed by FIB, the correction, just a correction, will be like 1 billion, almost 1 billion more capitalization, but it will be just 50% of this drop. So the top was 909, and is it possible to hit the new all-time high? Guys, basically everything possible. So let's say 995 we're gonna hit this one. 9.3 billion market capitalization. Is it possible to see the twice bigger market cap? Maybe, hard to say. But my conservative price target for Compound is 553. If we talk about the gains, so here it was a sweep, and it can be like 2,300% gains. So it's more than real to see the end of cycle with that numbers. Yes, guys. From this current prices we're in now around here, it's like 949%. So if it's okay for you to accumulate a Compound now, you can accumulate. Do I believe in a drop to $25 again? I don't think so, because of timing, because of cycle, because of seasonality. I added my alert here. You remember that alert, and if you watched the video, and I'm with the continuation. June, August, September, October. Hard to say, guys. Nobody knows the timing. So, and don't try to predict the timing for the tokens. If we talk about a global chart, I guess the global chart is absolutely the same. So yes. So nothing special for this token happened in the recent 2 years. Somebody accumulated, and funny moment, not a funny moment, but it's interesting moment. One fresh wallet. Just one fresh wallet. This one, I will share the link so you can track it. Just accumulate 4 days ago, maybe 1 week and week ago and 4 days ago. By some reason, start accumulate only 2 tokens, Uniswap and the Compound. It's kind of weird. You know, because the price is here, holding price 52.42, the price 10. So we can track all these transfers, and maybe this guy, or just insider, or he knew something, or just random buys. It's kind of interesting how and why this guy accumulate these tokens. So only 2 tokens. It's kind of interesting. I don't know why his profit loss not showing it here. Here it was a loss. Imagine this guy being in losses like 1.1 million, 1.6 million. Now he in a profit like 7.7 million. This is guys how the big whales works. And now on this wall 58 million in USD portfolio volume. It's kind of interesting. It's really interesting. Why this guy accumulate only 2 tokens? Maybe makes sense to accumulate a compound also. And at 53, the token can pump to $100, so we can withdraw initial deposit almost 100%, and just withdraw our initial deposit and forgot about the token and wait the main targets. Maybe this is a smart idea. All right. I will leave the link to this article on the description below. And so my target is still the same. So this is one of not so many tokens which underwater over the 1,000 days compound underrated. Of course, we can go to 0. Yes, of course we can go to 0. But does it make sense? Basically not. ADZ direction market mode. Here. Once again, by some reason, somebody has started accumulated the compound since middle of March 2025 for some reason. Kinda interesting what's going on with this compound. Nobody talk about the compound around. And I guess when the wheel start pumping, everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon, we're going to 500, we're going to 1,000 to 2,000, all of this absolutely nonsense stuff. What I don't like this is a top and this is around distribution zone. So this is not accumulation. It's kind of weird. On the weekly, accumulation and direction, good one. Disbelief on market mode, good one. What is good, what is bad? On the monthly, we're in capitulation since January 2025. We on the middle line, not at the bottom, not touch at the bottom. But guys, take a look. This is a monthly candles. Imagine over the 1,127 days, we're just in a chop, just in a simple chop. Daily, of course, I wish to see the drop to 38. Maybe at 38, I will accumulate a compound. But we can form even the divergence. So here's a top, here's a drop, and we need to see the continuation. That's why I guess that there will be not divergence, and we can form some tiny triangle. I hope. That's why, guys, locally, if you believe in compound, it's okay time for accumulation. Let's say I will be ready and will feel comfortable, I guess, if next week we will see the correction, or I don't know, maybe in August we'll see correction 42. Let's say 42, it's okay. 42, it's okay, maybe. 38, it's okay. The best way is at 35 if we're going to sweep all this liquidity pool. Interesting. But I'm going to track this wallet because some interesting guy. I don't think so it's a random. I don't think so the guy just randomly choose the 2 tokens and create a fresh wallet and just accumulate 2-1 Uniswap in the compound. Maybe it's like conspiracy, but who knows, guys. Money power, what I like, what I don't like. Here, this was a money outflow. Here's a money inflow in March. No money inflow here now in June on the weekly. Monthly, we at the bottom. Let's add alert to the money inflow and money power indicator. Money inflow on the monthly. I wish to see something like this one. Like it was in June 2022. The price was $26. Here was a RSI bearish divergence and a monthly drop. Now we at the bottom, but without any money inflow. It's kind of weird. That's why, like, conclusion, guys, you know all my targets. Now it's comfortable zone for accumulation. You can accumulate, for example, at 53. If we drop to 25, you can buy again. So your average entry will be like, I don't know, 35, 40. Comfortable. And I'm going to track this wallet. Some interesting guy. A sell, buy back. This is it, guys. Daily, sell, buy back. I wish to see the drop to 42 or 35. And that's point I wish to see the one signal to buy again. 12 time frame, sell, and now nothing. Interesting. And the last indicator, guys, it's showing us the fundamental value of this token. So here, and this is like a chop on the weekly, like a saw, you know. And here it was a test of the buy line bounce, test of the buy line bounce, test of the buy line bounce. Buy line at this current moment is $37. Fundamental value of this token, I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low, 27.57. Take profit 73.42. Exit line 83.53. By the way, here was a great example of 3 drives pattern. 1, 2, 3, drop. All right, nice one. So guys, like conclusion, here is. This is my target, still relevant for this token. The worst case scenario, if we're gonna trade 2 months more, for example, in the chop sideways, and globally, I wish to see something like this one, 197, retest and go higher to the main target. 1, 2, 3, 5 waves, for example. So guys, highly recommend it, first of all, in education purpose. Double check the compound video. Highly recommend you also track this wallet. A link will be on the description below. And don't forget, join my free Telegram channel where I share all ideas. If you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.